Somalia is frequently affected by droughts and the flood, land degradation and the sand dunes, and the capacity to mitigate those things needs a lot of effort, of which Somalia government alone cannot do.
Somalia is among the lowest contributors to global greenhouse gas emissions, yet it is among the most severely impacted by the effects of climate change.
Somalia has a challenge in accessing the climate financing. We are on the road to work on laws and bills that can take the country to the next level where it can be trusted to access directly for the climate change financing. In the meantime, Somalia is a partner with the international donors, the UN system, and there's a lot of mitigation and adaptation programs have been done through the UN system and international NGOs.
Somalia actively engages with its international and local partners, collectively steering efforts to address the country's most pressing climate challenges. The country developed a comprehensive 5-year strategic plan, which is currently being refined to ensure it remains effective in guiding Somalia's path toward climate resilience and sustainability.
So our priorities in the coming 5 years is greening Somalia, enabling the land regeneration by itself by improving the land use modalities. Our other agenda is to put in place all the necessary bills and the laws and the regulations to actually implement the most favorable environmental protection laws. The country did not have a Ministry of Environment and Climate Change before 10 months. It's only this time the ministry was established. So Somalia's had only got an NDC document which was reflecting the time when the ministry was the directorate. So the NDC document itself needs to be reviewed and to be inclusive to all the government approach.
In 2021, Somalia took a significant step forward by submitting its revised NDC and is now planning its NDC update. In its updated commitment, Somalia aims to reduce its projected emissions by 30% by 2030. It also emphasizes adaptation across key sectors such as agriculture, water resources, fisheries, energy, and forestry.
We are currently now working on and impacted to have the country's NDC's implementation plan with a costing, with priorities, and with a bankable project. No country can work in a silos style. Somalia, Kenya, and Ethiopia are neighboring countries. And what affects Somalia affects Kenya. What affects Ethiopia affects Somalia. So if those countries come together and then they have a transboundary policy which could actually focus on a common problem with a common solution, that is the collective action that NDC is really looking for. And that is what Somalia is also lobbying for it when it comes into avoiding to work into silos.
Since joining the NDC partnership, Somalia has sought assistance with integrating NDCs into national and subnational planning and budgeting, enhancing the quality and ambition of their NDC targets, and developing their LT-LEDs. The NDC partnership has also deployed an in-country facilitator to provide direct, localized support to Somalia. In addition to its NDC updates, the country has developed an NDC finance strategy and joined several other pioneering countries on the Task Force on Access to Climate Finance, an initiative that aims to deliver concrete, system-wide changes in access to finance. The task force is now supported by a new knowledge center established with the NDC partnership.
The other benefit of the NDC partnership is instead of Somalia going and trying to get climate financing, when we partnership with NDC partnership, we can have a better voice and a better access to the climate financing. So I see NDC partnership as a positive platform of which each and every country really needs to be part of it.